demonic forces will be defeated. Today in this Kali Yuga, the quality of ignorance, that is tamas, has completely dominated the quality of purity, that is sattva. Falsehood, fraud, cheating, treachery, corruption, unprincipled conduct, bribery, adulteration, molestation of women, adultery, rape, abduction, theft, looting and murders have become normal routine. Naked dance of demonic forces is going on. For the protection of crying and sobbing humanity affected by this, Lord Kalki has descended on earth and has begun his task also. But where is he? This is not known to us. In this connection, we have got with us prophecies of some prophets which are as follows. According to Professor Kiro, the sun star of India is powerful and is on the sign Aquarius of the zodiac. No power on earth can stop her rise. There are conjunctures of a powerful man having purely righteous morality to take birth in India. This man will awake the entire country. His spiritual strength will be more than all material powers of the world. Due to the conjuncture of Jupiter, there are possibilities of revolution which must affect the world. In the jungle section of Mahabharata, high-souled Markandeya, after describing all characteristics of Kali Yuga, has told that in Kali Yuga, when once there would have been frenzied dancing of utter destruction on earth, then a child possessing divine qualities will be born in a Brahman Vishnu Yasha's house of a village called Sambhal. People will know this boy by the name Kalki Vishnu Yasha. From the very beginning, this boy will be very extraordinary, intelligent, powerful and brave. Just on arising a desire, he would be able to do anything. He would form a Brahmasena, that is, army of all-pervading spirit of the universe, comprising of learned youth, and would liberate the earth from tyrants and unprincipled persons. Kalki Vishnu Yash would also rule for long time as a great glorious ruler. If somehow we search him, then by taking benefit of his proximity, we can make our life fruitful. We have got with us a lot of more significant informations relating to him, with the help of which we can search him out. To obtain these informations, visit us at www.kalkiavatar2010.com. If you too have with you some other similar informations relating to this, share them with us so that we may put them also down on our website.